Hello guys, I made the Lego truck. He just slid. The new Lego truck that I just got, and it was $8. On taxes going on $10. Stuff like that, and check out the trailer hookups, and it moves actually. You see, I got the speedometer on top right there. Like that's like the gas can, the big gas can. And like,
look at this! I lost my leg.
It's a nice run, pretty much. Look at that, that's crazy. Might as well zoom up on the tire.
I just lost my leg.
Bloody good.
Yo, I just lost my leg. And how am I gonna get to school if I lost my leg?
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. Look at that.
Well, I don't want to tell you how.
That's pretty amazing.
What?
This truck,
I lost my leg.
Oh gosh, what it's doing?
I lost my leg. How do you say that?
There's something in here.
I lost my leg.
So here we go.
Here, Mario, put this up.
So here's a little detour around the truck. There's the motor under it. See, and the motor and the side wheels and just crazy stuff. And I'm gonna show you inside of it. Right here is the interior. Look at it from the dashboard. Can you see up in there? Like the dashboard, it's not really in there though, but just anywhere. That looks crazy. Here's the back of the truck. Here's the top. Speedometer. There's the interior, front engine. And that's sweet. Comment down below if you think this is awesome. And do not like if you think it's ugly. Comment below. Into the comment link. Let's drop a like. And peace.